Hi, good afternoon, students. We'll start with science first. Okay, I can't be with you, so now you're seeing me on my screen. Right. For science, we are still doing check your progress. So we are ending the topic, the unit 2 on food, on healthy diet. And before we go into the next topic, the new chapter 3 next week. Now we are going to check your progress first. Okay, let's just go through, do some simple recall of what the 5 main groups are. Okay, what are the 5 main groups? Number 1, carbohydrates. Number 2, protein. Number 3, fruits and vegetables. Number 4, dairy. Number 5, fat and sugar. Yeah. All right. So it's important to remember the 5 main food groups because as you um, complete this chapter, the main thing is that you are required to remember the 5 main food groups and what are their functions. So it's important to get this right. Now, the next thing. This one we have done earlier in class, but for those who have not done this, let's do this together again. This is in your activity book. This is in your activity book. So let's check the answers again. For those who are done, let's just check this again. So to see that if you've got this right. And for those who did not bring your book earlier or you have not done this, let's check this together. Right, let's take a look at this. Rice and bread gives us energy. And next, they are in the carbohydrate group. Next, milk is good for your teeth and bones. The foods that help us grow have lots of protein. Cakes and candies are unhealthy. They have too much fat and sugar, or sugar and fat. Okay, both are accepted. Right. It is important to remember that if there are words that are in the word bank here and you are being given words to choose from, then spelling has to be correct or else you'll be penalized for your mistakes. Okay. So now that you've done this, I remember you should get 6 stars for this. Each correct answer, you get 1 star. Alright? Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Let's do some, take out your science practical book, alright? Take out your science practical book. Okay, we are going to copy this in your practical book. Okay, so healthy or unhealthy. Okay, copy this down. Then you need to write today's date. Okay, copy the instruction. Write each sentence in the right place. Okay, I'm going to give you the sentence later. But first, you need to copy down this table. Make a table with 2 columns. The first column, healthy, and the second column, unhealthy. Alright, there will be 8 sentences which you need to fit into the correct columns. Alright, I'll give you the sentence later. So now, for now, you just copy this down. Make a table of 2 columns. The first column, healthy. Give it a title, healthy. And the second column will be unhealthy. Okay, so next we're going to see what are the sentences that you should put in the correct place. you need some time in copying this one, making a table, get your teacher to pause this video first until you're done. Then you move on to the sentences. Okay. Now let's take a look at the sentences here. There are 8 sentences, as I said. You need to put in the sentences here that you see into the table that you copied just now. Okay, so let's take a look at the sentences again. Now, please get your teacher to pause this page so that you have enough time to copy and put down the sentences into the correct place. Okay, once you are done, let's check our answers together. Number 1, drink lots of sugary drinks. What should it be under? Healthy or unhealthy? Sugary drinks, unhealthy. Number 2, eat lots of cakes. Healthy or unhealthy? Answer, unhealthy. Number 3, eat lots of fruits. It should be healthy, because fruits contain lots of vitamins and minerals, so it's good for your body. And number 4, eat lots of sweets. Is that good? Healthy or unhealthy? It's under unhealthy. Number 5, drink water. Drink water. It should be healthy. Number 6, eat lots of rice or pasta. Okay, this should be under healthy, because rice and pasta are carbohydrates, and carbohydrates are found on the bottom level of the food triangle or the food pyramid. So the portion has to be a lot. So rice or pasta, because it gives us a lot of energy. Now number 7, brush your teeth. Healthy or unhealthy? Healthy. Number 8, eat lots of vegetables. Healthy or unhealthy? Should be healthy. Check your answers. Okay, your answers should look like this. Right? Check your answers. Okay, the next thing I want you to do is continue writing the answer in your practical book. So after you've done this table, draw a finishing line and continue on, because I'm going to show you some pictures here. Right? Write the name of each food group that is shown here. Right? You can see number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. I just need you to write down the answers of the food group. Okay, just write number 1, what is it? Number 2, what is it? Number 3, 4, and 5. Just that only. You don't have to draw the pictures. Just give me your answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Based on the food that you see in the picture here, what is the food group for number 1? Number 2, what is the food group shown here? Write down the answer. And number 3, what is the food group shown here? Number 4, what's the food group? And number 5, what's the name of the food group that's shown here? Right, once you're done, let's check our answers. Okay, so here are the answers for your food groups. Make sure that your spelling is correct, because these are scientific terms and spelling is very important, especially carbohydrate, dairy, and protein. Check your spelling. Okay. Alright, now that we're done, let's watch a video on healthy eating.